I love all the questions I'm getting. My name is Shannon Sagan. I'm known as the Dashcam Lawyer, and I'm getting tons of questions about dash cams and which ones to get and what does this do and what are some of the features. Why would I get one? I'm loving all these responses and questions and emails and DMs that I'm getting from people. Clearly, we're getting the word out. The problem is I know there are still a lot of people, especially in my circle, family members, good friends, and people close to me that still watch all my videos, like them, and are not putting dash cams in their cars. And the only reason for that I've come to see is, number one, they're intimidated and do not know how to set them up. Or number two, it's pride and they're just like, no, I've never been in an accident before. It's not gonna happen to me. It just won't happen. And those two main scenarios. So please don't have that attitude. We're in South Florida. Drivers are crazy here. If you have a dash cam, put one up. If I've given you one and it's sitting in a box, shame on you, okay? Especially if you get in an accident and come to me and admit that. If you don't have one, just go on Amazon and get yourself one. They're cheap, they're easy to use. Throw it up in your car. It doesn't take long. It really will save you a ton of hassle and potential liability financially, getting sued, points on your license, all these things. Get a dash cam.